Hey everyone! Today I'm going to demonstrate you how to create a home and rooms. I will also explain what those two are used for. First, let me explain you why you will want to create homes and rooms. For example, if you own both a house and a cabin, you can create a home for both and add the lights you have in those locations in two different homes. Then, you can create rooms on both. If you have lights in your bathroom, for example, you can simply create a room named as such. Let me now show you how to reproduce that. When you have DALS Connect open, you can press on the top left side where you can see your actual home with the arrow sign and then press on Setting. You can also press on Account on the right bottom side. Then select Home Management. Now, simply select a name for your home and its location if you wish. Then you can select between already created rooms or create your own. When it's done, simply press on Save. You can also invite family members, friends, or whoever you want to your home. They will be able to control your lights with their own DALS Connect account. To do so, you need to press on the home you wish to share and then press on Add Member. It will give you the following sharing options. The person you share this with needs to have an account if you choose to share it with App Account. But if you use any of the other type of sharing option, the person will be able to receive the code and then go create an account on DALS Connect and use it to join your home. To join a home, you simply need to press on Join a Home and enter the invitation code you received. To add rooms without having to create a new home, you simply need to press on those three dots and choose Room Management. From there, you can create new rooms and select the lights you want to assign or remove from the rooms simply by pressing on them. Also, if you press on the check mark with the lines, you can put the rooms in the order you wish for. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.